Okay guys, I'm going to show you, this is my Desert Eagle, my polished Desert Eagle. I am putting the front sights on. Okay, what I usually just hit with a little lube because it just makes life easier for me to put it on. And I just knock off the excess. Get it on left to right. Right. These are plated, so it's a little tougher to get in than they were before, because they plated these. It's going to be a little bit tougher. I'm probably going to sand some material down. Now let me line them up first here. Okay, you want to line them up and like this. Then you're going to go ahead and tap them on. See how they're going on? But you might have to be very careful if you don't have something plastic down and on it. Because you don't really want to start chipping stuff. Plastic or even wood. I'm telling you, wood is good too. I've got a piece of wood here. I'm going to try this wood and see how this works. It's working, but I need something to hold it down a little tighter. This, like this. Give it a little stuff here to just pound it on. Really, anything you can use. Just a piece of plastic is all you need. I'm kind of improvising right now. I've got other tools, but I don't want to get them out right now. But this is working. See, it's going. You can see it's putting it in. So that's all that really matters. Just give it a good pop. It's going. Just keep a little bit. And then you want to just keep tapping it. The hardest part is just to get a good hold on it, you know what I mean? So. It's going on. See, it's going on. Okay guys, and now I have the sights on. Okay? And it's my Desert Eagle with the fiber optic sight on it. Thanks a lot guys.